Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. That was so stupid. Only Jeffree can do that. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the review of the summer collection from Jeffree Star of 2019. It's the Jawbreaker collection. I do not have everything, I'm sorry, but I did grab the most important things, which is the palettes and just some lippies. And that's it. I only grabbed 3 lippies and 1 lip scrub. And of course I had to snag a mirror because I've always wanted one of his mirrors. And this color just screamed my name. I love this color, so I snagged that one. But I do have a lip scrub that I snagged. I have the pineapple juice one. I have 3 lippies, 1 lip ammo in the shade Glazed, and I have 2 velour liquid lipsticks, one in Fully Nude and the other one in Bronze Blood, which I got this one online and this one in the Morphe store in the mall because I forgot to snag it, because that's on me. Then I got the 2 palettes. I have the Brain Freeze palette and the Jawbreaker palette. Of course, I did already do a review on the Mini Breaker palette, which is already on my channel. If you guys want to check that out, I will link it down below for you guys to watch. But yeah, I know the first thing I want to do is the eyeshadow palette because I'm afraid there's going to be fallout. That's why I don't have foundation on or primer. So the first thing I'm going to do is start out with the Jawbreaker palette. So this is what the Jawbreaker palette looks like. I absolutely love the packaging and it's so sturdy and heavy. It just feels like it is worth the price. Like, it feels like it's the price, if that makes any sense. And these are the shadows. I'm super excited to try this palette. I've swatched a couple of shades, but not everything. I'm super excited. So I don't know what look I'm going to create today. I'm just gonna go with it and hope for the best. Alright, so I ended up picking up the new Anastasia eyeshadow primer. If you guys hear something in the background, it's my air coming on. It's really hot here in LA. So I got the mini size of the Anastasia eyeshadow primer because I didn't feel like spending about $20 something for an eyeshadow primer and I wanted to try it. I've heard a lot of good things, so I'm super excited. So I'm just gonna prime my lids using that. Eyes are primed, just a bit. Now I'm gonna jump into the palette. I don't know what look I want to create. I really want to use that red called Licorice. But I also want to use this yellow, as usual. So, but then if I combine those colors, like, I'm gonna look like McDonald's logo, so I don't want that. And I really want to use Snack, so this is gonna be really hard. There's so many colors, I don't know what I want to do. I would do 2 looks, but I might do another video on this. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna take the shade Cherry Wet, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna put that, I think, in my crease. I don't know what I'm doing. Pretty pigmented. I'm gonna slightly drag it in a little. Like that. Of course, it's gonna look a little bit messy, but I'll clean that up afterwards. I'm taking the shade Virgin, which is that first shade in the palette. It's the white shade. And I'm just blending it out. Then I want to take the shade Wow, which is that yellow one, on a flat shader brush. And I want to see how well... Ooh. Whoa. Wow. That is a very pigmented yellow. I like it. I remember how disappointed I was using the Thirsty palette, so I'm glad so far this is actually really nice. I'm going to take Cherry Wet again, and I'm going to kind of blend those together a little bit. I kind of want to drag it in more to kind of clash them both, create that sort of sunset kind of look. I'm going to take the shade Fuck, and that's like a corally shade, and I'm gonna put that above everything, like above that Cherry Wet shade. And then, you know what, I'm gonna take Lemon Drop, which is that gold shade. I'm gonna put that on top of the yellow, see if it makes it even more vibrant. Might need to wet my brush. take Lemon Drop and pack that. Ooh, yes. You guys see that? That's pretty. I'm gonna take Cherry Wet again and blend those out. I'm gonna do this eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I put up my hair. I kind of want to take the shade Suck, which is that orangey shade, instead of the FUCK one, and kind of want to like put that up here instead, because I feel like that one's a little bit more vibrant. I almost want to take that red shade and put that on my outer corners, and I'm gonna kind of just tap it right there. So I'm not worried about this area right here because I'm just gonna clean it up afterwards. Smoothly. I'm gonna take the shade Jawbreaker, which is that white shade, and putting it right here. This shade I might have to wet too. Put that in my inner corners. Like that. I don't know if you guys can see the pop of color. It's not like a white shimmer, it's like a gold shimmer. I'm gonna take the shade Raspberry and deepen that outer corner up a little bit more. I just want more like definition. But these colors are like blending out so well. I'm surprised. I love it. Pigmented. All right, I'm gonna do my foundation and liner off camera, and I will be right back to do the under eye. I don't know what I want to do for the under eye, but I will figure it out. Alrighty, I finished up the rest of my face. I put on some blush and bronzer. Now I'm gonna finish up my under eye. Honestly, I thought about it, and I kind of want to take orange juice on the lower lash line, which is that bright orange shimmer shade. Yeah, I'm gonna do it, whatever. If it turns out like crap, it turns out like crap. I obviously don't know how to color combinate. So I'm gonna take a brush like this, and I'm gonna see how it goes on dry first. I'm gonna take orange juice, grab my Jeffree Star mirror, and I'm gonna see how it goes on. But that's without wetting it. I'm gonna see what it's like wetting it on the other side. This shade just goes a long way. I'm gonna take a brush to just blend that. I don't know what else I want to do. I kind of like the way it is, but I feel like I need a bit more like, I look like I'm not awake, if that makes any sense. Maybe I'm gonna take cotton candy, put that under here. That's basically all I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna grab Snack and pop that like right here. Ooh, that just burnt my eyes. I'm gonna put on some mascara and we will move on to the highlighting palette. Okay, neighbors and parents and family are irritating me right now because they're so loud. So neighbors are mowing the lawns and my dad's about to mow the lawns, so I better hurry this video up. I still have another one to film after this. Anyways, we're gonna move on to the Brain Freeze palette, which is the highlighting palette. Now obviously not all of these shades will suit everyone's skin tone, like at least there's an option for some, but you can also use them as eyeshadows. So this is what the palette looks like. It reminds me of 4th of July, so I'm getting definite summer vibes from that. These are what the shades look like. Now I don't know which ones I really want to use. I kind of want to mix these two, which are Cold Shoulder and Goldbreaker. I'm gonna grab Cold Shoulder first. God, I can't say that. And see what it looks like. Ooh, that's cute. Put some on the nose. Yes, that's pretty. Then I'm gonna grab Goldbreaker and put that on top, because no such thing as not being too glowy. Put some right there. we are looking glowy. The rest of the shades I would try, but that would be too much, and obviously this one's too dark and this one's too dark, I think. I'll have to try it sometime, I don't know when, but there's that palette, super pretty. Now we're gonna lastly move on to lips. I'm gonna use my lip scrub in pineapple juice, which I've already tried this and tastes delicious. Okay, moving on to lips. I'm gonna swatch all of these three just cause why not. I'm gonna swatch Glaze. This packaging, so pretty. Sorry for my messy hair. Alright, this is Glazed. Wow. This gives me like J-Lo summer vibes. Alright, next I'm gonna swatch Bronzed Blood, which again with the lime green, I just love it so much. Again with the bronzy like summertime vibes. This one's so pretty. And the last one I got is Fully Nude because I'm a sucker when it comes to nudes. Definitely more pink. This shade is definitely more pink, but it is really pretty. Yes. This shade is a Fully Nude. It is definitely more pink than I thought it would be. Like in here it looks like it's even a little bit more nude, but when you apply it to your lips it looks more pink. But yeah, that is basically everything for this collection. I wish I could have gotten more of the lips, but I wasn't really intrigued by the other ones. I'm happy with all three that I got. Super impressed. The palette was amazing. The highlighting palette, blinding. Lip scrub, obviously, freaking love this. And yeah, there's not one thing that I don't like. I did not have trouble blending these and I did not have trouble applying them. They applied like butter. And yeah, I'm actually really impressed and might buy another collection that he comes out with because before this, I wasn't impressed with his collections at all or his products, just his lippies and that's it. But these ones, I'm really impressed. So really excited about that. That completes this entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want me to create any more looks using this palette, let me know down in the comments and I will. And I love you guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!